Hi, I'm Michelle from My British Passport, and today I'll be showing you how to renew your British passport from New Zealand. If you are a British citizen living in New Zealand, you may need to renew your British passport at some point. The process can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the entire process of renewing your UK passport from New Zealand. Step 1. Visit mybritishpassport.com and click Apply Now. Select from New Zealand. It will take you to our easy online application form. Step 2. Complete our British passport application form and click Submit. Be sure to complete your application form as accurately as possible. HM Passport Office has very strict regulations when it comes to checking these applications. Step 3. Once you click Submit, you will be redirected to a secure payment window to make payment via debit or credit card. Our payments are powered by Stripe, the world's most secure payment gateway. Step 4. You will receive an email from your dedicated British passport consultant within 24 to 48 hours regarding the next steps for your application. You will be guided through the application process step by step. Your consultant will advise you of your supporting documents required for your unique case. You will also be given direct instructions regarding your digital passport photo. Step 5. Our expert team will check your documents and forms, ensure that your passport photos are compliant, and submit your application to the passport office. The documents are sent to HM Passport Office using our reliable courier service. Step 6. Wait for your passport to be delivered to your doorstep without any delays. Important, do not make any travel arrangements until you have received your new passport. Visit mybritishpassport.com